everyone. In this video, we are going to have a detailed discussion of important previous year questions for NET JRF. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first question is, the emblem is a poetic genre containing a symbolic picture with a text and verse exposition, popular in the early 17th century. Who popularized this kind of poetry through the work Emblems? Option A. Robert Southwell. B. Francis Coles. C. John Davies. D. Joseph Sylvester. You can pause the video after each question and then think about the correct answer and check your answer after that. So the correct answer for this one is Francis Coles. Francis Coles was an English poet, and in this genre, an icon or image with a motto is given, and there is a text which explains the connection between the image and the motto. The text is as long as a few lines of verse or a few pages of prose. This genre descended from the medieval bestiaries, which explained the importance of animals, proverbs, or fables. This particular genre was so popularized that Francis published another book with the title Hieroglyphics of the Life of Man under the same genre. Moving on to the next question. Which Brand work begins thus? I want a hero, an uncommon want, when every year and month sends forth a new one. A. Beppo. B. Cain. C. Manfred. D. Don Juan. The correct answer for this one is Don Juan. These are the opening lines of Canto 1 of Don Juan. Don Juan was also known as Don Giovanni. It was composed in year 1822, which was the same year in which the poet died. Moving on to the third question. The title of Sir Thomas Browne's famous treatise Religio Medici means religion of a doctor, religion of a magician, religion of divinity, religion of meditation. The correct answer for this one is religion of a doctor. This work of Browne was an early psychological self-portrait. It was an explanation and analysis of his religious belief in relationship to his profession as a medical doctor. It was published in the year 1643. The next question is, which among the following recent novels is a retelling of Sophocles' Antigone? Antigone is a part of the Theban trilogy by Sophocles. Other two works in this trilogy are Oedipus Rex and Oedipus at Colonus. I have already made a video on Oedipus Rex and Oedipus at Colonus. You can watch that video by going on the I button in the top right corner. Antigone was first written but is last in the sequence. It is the story of Oedipus's daughter who decides to bury the dead body of his brother and then commits suicide. Options for this question are Home Fire by Camilla Shamshay, Helmet by Fiona Mosley, Swing Time by J.D. Smith, Exit West by Mohsin Hamid. So the correct answer for this one is Home Fire by Camilla Shamshay. Home Fire is set in 5 locations similar to the 5 acts in the play Antigone. These 5 locations are London, Amherst, Massachusetts, Istanbul, Raqqa in Syria, Karachi, Pakistan. This story is about Isma, who is now free after spending years in raising her younger sibling after her mother's death. She is now studying in America, but she can't stop thinking about her beautiful young sister Anika and her brother Parvez. Moving to the next question, we have identify the 2 important works of Paul de Man from the following list. A. Blindness and Insights. B. Allegories of Reading. C. Theoretical Essays. D. Criticism and Ideology. The codes are given in the right. The correct answer for this one is A and B, means Blindness and Insights and allegories of reading. We have two more questions whose answer we will discuss in the next video. You can comment in the comment box if you already know the answer. Question is, Samuel Johnson denounced the metaphysical poets, saying about the beginning of the 17th century appeared a race of writers that may be termed the metaphysical poets. In the biography of which of the following poets in his Lives of Poets did Johnson make this remark? A. John Dryden, B. Thomas Parnell, C. Abraham Cowley, D. Alexander Pope. And the next question is, the terms of the contract are not disagreeable to me. The above sentence contains an example of enumeratio, litotes, anaphora, or metonymy. Write the answers in the comment box if you know, and you can also comment if you want a detailed video on Sophocles' Antigone. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and if you find the video useful, you can also share it with your friends, and please don't forget to press the bell icon for latest notification updates. We will be back with another video soon.